Call him. That is brilliant bowling. Who's looking for that? He just has a habit of taking wickets, this young man. That's a lovely shot for four. Beauty. Turned away leg side, timing's good and it's raced away. So this is not a bad start for New Zealand at all. They're a little inside edge and given, and a length is very good short of a length. It has come back in appreciably. That is a terrific delivery. Oh, the big one. That's the big one. Yeah, seems back in. There's a little gap in Patton who's found it. This will be a chase. It'll be a chase that no fielder will win because the outfield is like grease lightning. Lovely shot. Just a mere push. He got to the pitch of the delivery. Why? When he's got away with, well, real dominance and great authority. Tom, let's square them up. That delivery couldn't really do much, just trying to work it into the onside leading edge. Easy catch. Because as we know, that's a beautiful shot. He's just timed that is so much pace and bounce as Zishan gives you. But it opens up the cover region and it runs away for another boundary. That one he dispatches with ease. That is gorgeous. Just wait.